July something ezokwenzeka siyazi uke wenza i-event waqhamukundiza phezulu kwachaza inkundla mntaka baba ubathembisa
Bethu 12 July Moses Mabhida Stadium. Such cream of the crop. These are great people, and ukuba ingxenye ye lineup enkulu kangaka really means a lot to me.
Njengamanje ngani yakwethu siphethe uAyanda Ntanzi insizwa eyenzele isimanga njengamanje la kuvukile mhlonishwa sikubingelele
Eshe insizwa yakithi siyabingelela nabalibukeli bakho.
Kawela kithi uvele stage siyakubona futhi ubhethe esandleni kwethu how do you feel nje ukuthi ukhona namhlanje
Bethu lokhu kuyangithobisa kakhulu just being here as part of the lineup enkulu kangaka nama artists namaciko who are gifted ngalendlela gifted ngayo siyabonga kakhulu. We are sending a big shout out to abahleli bomcimbi. This is not easy as somebody who does events as well. I know for sure that putting together an event like this and ukuhlanganisa ama artists it's not an easy thing because you are dealing with creatives here and creatives are difficult people by nature, and so putting them together like this and working with them means a lot, and kusho ukuthi laba fethu laba impela uNkulunkulu uyabasebenzisa siyabonga kakhulu, and just being a part of such cream of the crop. These are great people, and ukuba ingxenye ye lineup enkulu kangaka really means a lot to me. It's very humbling. Siyabonga kakhulu kubahleli bomcimbi uvukile.
Kunomciko nje eliselincane ngani yakwethu elisekhaya ungathi nje amazwi elifisa ngelilanga ukuthi libese ezingeni lapho
sure engakusho mfethu uthi kubalekile ukuthi uNkulunkulu ekubizile uma isikhathi sakho singakafiki ungahlali njengomuntu ongazi ukuthi ubiziwe, ungahlali ungenzi lutho njengomuntu ongena assignment. I-assignment, whether it's your time yet or not, the assignment remains, and you need to prepare for each and every opportunity that will come, because awazi ukuthi opportunity noma breakthrough yakhe izofika nini. So it's good to be prepared. We prepare kanjani na? You study other people who've gone ahead of you. Isizulu sithi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili, sithi injobe ithungelwe bandla. So you look at what other great people are doing, because greatness is where your destiny is. That's your destination. And so if you are going to be a great person, balekile ukuthi uhlala ubukela abantu abanye who are great, asebe great already, uthi benza kanjani, how do they shape and package their brands. Kubalekile ukuthi uzondle ngokukholeka ngezwi laNkulunkulu. I think that's the most important thing for a young artist, the gospel artist out there, because into yethu njengoba kuyi gospel music, it means isebenza ivangeli. Ivangeli lelesilenza, and so kufanele ube ne-understanding yevangeli liyini ivangeli, and you have a relationship nomnikazi wevangeli, and that will set you apart. That will just elevate you on another level. When your time comes, you'll just explode because you were preparing yourself for the breakthrough.
Mhlonishwa sizwile kahle benye ukuthi July something ezokwenzeka siyazi uke wenza i-event waqhamukundiza phezulu kwachaza inkundla mntaka baba ubathembisa
Bethu 12 July Moses Mabhida Stadium inkulu kakhulu. Angicabanga ukuthi ukhona umculo gospel oke wenza one man show in that level, and so we are calling on everyone, because ngihlezi ngithi mfethu uma uvula umnyango wena, you are not just opening umnyango for yourself, but you are breaking ground for other personalities out there, amanye ama-media personalities, amanye ama-presenters. And so when you stretch your tent, I'll stretch yourself. Uma senze i-ICC besingenzeli uAyanda Ntanzi kuphela, but besenzela each and every gospel artist for them to see ukuthi it is possible kuyenzeka, and uNkulunkulu usibekele ukuthi sikwenze, and sizokwenza ngayo siqinisana. And so Moses Mabhida is not just into kaAyanda Ntanzi, it's for the whole sector yakwa gospel music, it's for the whole sector yakwa arts, and but most importantly it's for the body of Christ, umzimba kaKristu. Sifuna ukukhombisa abantu ukuthi izinto ziyenzeka ngokuthandaza bese ukholwa uNkulunkulu bese uyenza according to your assignment.
Ngani yakwethu angakubambezela abantu bakulindile bayothatha izithombe sabanga kakhulu isikhathi sakho.
Mfethu siyathobeka kakhulu, ngibonga kakhulu nabo bonke abantu. Shout out to Uvukile. Thank you so much for honoring me and honorisha umsebenzi esiwenzayo. uNkulunkulu ababusise.
Insizwa ke engaconsi phansi leyo Ayanda Ntanzi ebesimthathile.